And who would you like to pick next?
I'll give it to Hester.
Stefan like it, pick Blackson, pick ball.
Competition. Okay. Tessa?
I would like to work with Nora.
Great. This is a 2-day challenge.
Yes.
You guys will schedule for the next 30 minutes. You'll work with a creative consultant.